guys, welcome back again to my channel, The Appalachian Home, and to another video. So today I wanted to do a little bit different kind of video. This one's going to be sort of a live version. I'm not going to be doing much voiceover in this one, so I hope you guys enjoy this. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what we're going to be working with today. These are the round acrylic keychains that we're going to be using. These came from Amazon. I'll link them so that you can see which ones I'm using, but they're just round and they have a clear plastic film over them when you get these. They also have a small little hole for your keychain rings. You can see that now. I also have some of these that I got from Moxie Vinyls. So I got a little planner shape, book shape keychain. This one I love. This is the tumbler shape. And I also got a rainbow shape. So we'll go ahead and get started. I'll show you all of the vinyl and glitter that I'm going to be using for this video. This is actually Cricut adhesive vinyl in the gold foil matte. I also have just this Cricut white permanent vinyl. And then I just have some random pastel colors from Cricut. Now I'm going to show you the glitters that I'm going to use to go with some of these. This is the Estanois, I don't know how to pronounce this brand. These are pretty expensive, but they're so pretty. This is the Tiffany Blue. It's the same color as the Oracle Tiffany Blue glitter vinyl. This one has probably been my favorite. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's also holographic, and I'll look up the name of this. But this is this, so that's how that turns out. This one is called Rose Pink. And then the last one, this one's called Fuchsia. Some other things I'm going to be using is Mod Podge, and this one is the dishwasher safe. I'm going to be using that to apply the glitter to these keychains. And then I saw this on YouTube, this triple thick. I'm going to be applying this to the back of the glitter just to protect it and give it kind of a coating. We're just going to be using this on the back of our keychains. I'll be posting another video along with this video on how to design all of these keychains in Cricut Design Space. So if you guys want to watch that video, I will link it up here at the top of your screen in the cards. Okay, so now I have all the designs cut out. I'm going to go ahead and weed these. These I've already weeded and fixed as decals. If you want to see how I layer decals, I'll link a video up here in the cards. But let's go ahead and weed all of these. So now I'm ready to start putting all of these on. We're going to do all of the vinyl on all of our keychains first, and then we will flip them over and do our glitter. So first, let's start with one of these rainbow keychains. Okay, so now we have all of these done. This one's finished completely. I love this one. So we're not gonna be putting glitter on this one, but we'll go ahead and put glitter on the backs of these. So now we're gonna put glitter on the back of this keychain. And I'm just gonna put it directly over top of this foil and up here at the top. And you only need a little bit, just keep it as even as possible and keep out any streaks as best you can on your glue. I'm gonna let this dry and then I'll put on another layer of Mod Podge and another layer of glitter. Okay, now we're gonna put some glitter on the back of the planner. And on this one, I think I'm just gonna leave this glitter free because I kind of like the keychain like this. Okay, so now all of these are dried and I have all the glitter on all of these. I have 2 more drying over here, but we're gonna go ahead and put the triple thick over this glitter so that it doesn't keep falling off. Okay, so now I'm going to put the hardware on our keychains. The round keychains that I ordered from Amazon also came with some key rings and these little jump rings that I'm going to be needing. And they also came with a pack of these tassels. And then I bought these at Walmart. These are just some extra clips.